Hello guys, welcome back to the Latin side. Today I'm gonna continue to with the configuration of Wazuh. So last time what we did was to install and down and how to. So now we're gonna use Wazuh with pSense. We're gonna put in the send network and some of the network adapter. I'm gonna do. We're gonna go setting. Um, when I go network, internal, when I select internal network, and so the name, Lancito, uh, I believe in that one should work, but just let me just, should work there. Now when turn around percent, start percent, we're gonna, start, Wazuh, uh, we're gonna start as well. Kelly Purple, that's one Kelly Purple one, which is R in the same net when the land zero. Mm. As well, we had to install to turn on the Windows 10 still one. So all the thing gonna take a little while. So we had to test it to see if it was is getting internet after. Just let it finish. Anybody that want. So I don't know if you remember. So we were using without PSAN. Um, the last two digits or 4 digits from the IP address was 1.122. So with PSAN, we're gonna have a new IP address which is gonna be 192.168.2. I don't know what could be the last number. So let's see. I just went in now. So now when I user, I don't know Wasu, user gonna be Wasu. I think, yeah, that user. See, yes, Foster is gonna be Wasu. So look for the IP address. The IP, yes, okay, we have the internet. So how I know we have internet? So just looking at the IP address, which is in the said network. Shows. Let me just move, move to here. So here we can. Uh, that's the Kelly Pulpo, which is gonna be our server. Um, so here we look it out to see that we're on the same network. Right here, and I can ping as well. this IP address, which is 13. Uh, yeah, getting respond back, which means it's in the same network. We have a connection. Everything is good. So, but what we're gonna do is, we're gonna open uh, here Wazuh. So we're gonna say HTTP. Uh, it's gonna be 13. Uh, 168, 168.13. So what we can do when I again say HTTPS. Yes, 192, 168.213. When I click advance, uh, proceed, unsafe, doesn't matter. So we're using Wazuh, so it's something that is it inside our network, which we don't have to worry too much about it. Um, so remember the default, the credential is gonna be admin. So after we're gonna, uh, you can change the password or leave it like that. I'm gonna just leave it like here, like that for now. Well, when I do the first thing, the first step when I create onions and we're gonna install in Windows 10 and the same window we install the agent for the Elastic. Uh, so this is Wazuh. I don't know really well the name. So uh, just let me go to okay, hold on. Yeah, we have the different critical, high, medium, low. We're gonna deploy new agents. I click here. Yeah, ahora vamos para comenzar. It's a window machine, clean window, and the IP address is gonna be this one from the last Wazuh, which is HTTP and B2 168 13. Just looking at the IP address. It confirms it's 192, 168. Yes. And we scroll down. The name can be by default. So here we click on default and scroll down. We select to run the file we command. So the agent we copy. Now we're gonna move to Windows 10. We're gonna paste our command. So just after just press enter. So now we let it run. That may take a little while so to complete. So so guys, in this part, like it was saying, man, it's taking a little while. We have to so guys, so I just forgot to say is that one part just let me add that part again to show what I forgot to let me just so after you install that in the Windows, so you have to run as well as this in the PowerShell. So we already have installed it, the Windows 10. What we're gonna do it is we're gonna go to clean the W um, to see. So uh, it's an easy way to figure out when the computer is on. Here says add this, which means the computer is on. So we're clicking add this, so that's gonna send you direct to the desktop to the computer. So we haven't changed the name, so we can change the name, but we know that's the IP address. So to confirm that the IP address, we're gonna go back to the Windows 10. We're gonna here CMD. I'm gonna open the terminal or the command prompt here. So I'm gonna say IP config. So we have that's the IP address, which means that's the computer. So we wanna create some network traffic, wanna like a ping Google or Google.com for the sample to make some traffic in the network. Like that, we create some law. We wanna go back to now to our server, which is a Kelly Pulpo. So now we're gonna go to here to the three dot. We're gonna go discovery. Yes, data, so we can see here already we create some traffic. Just right now we can see the day, the time. We can see the IP address. uh, it's not too much traffic because we just install it right now. We can see the name, the computer name, system, auto star, demand. So we can later on we're gonna show you how you can search and use uh, this available field. We are here in the left. So guys, remember if you like the video, don't forget to leave your comment, give a like and subscribe. See you to the next video.